In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly with Microsoft Outlook on Windows. By the end, you'll have Grammarly up and running so it can catch typos, polish your writing, and help you send clearer emails without adding extra work to your day. First, you'll install the Grammarly app on your Windows PC. Open your web browser and go to Grammarly's official website to download the Windows app. Run the installer you just downloaded and follow the on-screen prompts. When the app opens, sign in to your Grammarly account so it can start working across your desktop apps. If you're prompted to allow permissions, accept them. This lets Grammarly read what's on screen to provide suggestions in apps like Outlook. When installation finishes, look for the Grammarly icon in your system tray near the clock. If you see it, the app is active and ready. Next, head to Outlook. Open the Outlook desktop app and create a new email. As soon as you click into the message body, Grammarly should wake up automatically. You'll notice subtle underlines appear as you type, usually red for critical issues and other colors for clarity and tone. A small Grammarly pop-up or sidebar may appear, offering a quick overview of suggestions. If you don't see it right away, make sure the Grammarly app is running in the background and that it's enabled for desktop apps. You can check this by opening the Grammarly app from the system tray and confirming that suggestions are turned on for Outlook. Now compose your message as you normally would. Grammarly will scan in real time, flagging spelling errors, grammar issues, and awkward phrasing. Click and underline to see the suggestion, then choose to accept, dismiss, or learn more. For names, brand terms, or industry-specific jargon, you can often add the word to your personal dictionary so it won't be flagged again. If you want a cleaner view while drafting, you can finish your paragraph first, then open the Grammarly sidebar to review all suggestions in one place. Before sending, take a moment to scan the tone and clarity suggestions. These can make your message more concise and professional without changing your voice. A quick tip: you can adjust your English dialect and formality preferences in the Grammarly app to match your audience, and you can temporarily turn Grammarly off if you're handling sensitive content. That's it. Install the app, open Outlook, compose your message, and let Grammarly handle the polishing so you can hit send with confidence.